Alright, I'm going to try and do a little voiceover in this one. I won't be talking the whole time, just occasionally. To start off, this is a mini katana that I built about 2 years ago, and recently I broke it in half on a giant wad of duct tape. So in this video I'm just going to show you how I made them. The steel I used for this is actually a piece of road junk. If you go out into the street you can find tons of them all the time. Right here, this is what we'll be looking for. They're thin little strips of metal that break off of the road sweepers. I call them road sweeper blades, but I guess they're more like bristles. They're on the big brush and they break off. You'll find them about anywhere from 2 inches long to even 8 inches. And you want to look in this gap about 3 to 4 feet from the curb. So this here is everything that I picked up in that time lapse, plus these 2 small ones that stuck in my pocket. Here we go. So what you want to do is sort through them because some of them wear out much thinner than the others, and some break off new and some have been in the street for years. So you want to go through and find your best one. This here is one that I made a while ago, and this one's the one that I broke, and it's just the same except this one had a slight curve and I decided that I liked that better, so I'm going to do that with this one as well. In order to cut it to length, I just measured it up against one of my old ones, pinched it with a pair of pliers, and just bent it back and forth until it snapped. Now as you'll see here, because they're so thin, they cool down really fast, so it makes it a little difficult for putting a curve in. This is completely unnecessary, but I do prefer it. You might find that as well. You don't even need a forge, you could just use a blowtorch. Here I'm using my railroad track anvil, but you could also use the head of another hammer or something to hammer it. Here I'm showing you that you can just use a little blowtorch, and what you want to do is hold it right at the tip of the long blue flame there where I'm holding it, not down here by the trip hooks. After that you want to quench it, and what I find with these is they actually harden really well and become very brittle. So what you want to do is temper it in the forge for a little bit until you get these colors, otherwise you'll end up snapping. Now I'm going to be grinding the bevels and profiling on my belt sander. If you don't have a belt sander, there are plenty of other options you can use as well. A rotary tool would probably be your second best choice, but if you don't have one of those, you could use a file, sandpaper, or even a sharpening stone. Here I'm just using a bit of 1500 to give it a little sharpen, and just dropping it. After that, I just wrapped a bit of green thread around the handle, just to give it a bit of grip. And there you have it, a pocket katana.